Hello and welcome everybody. Hope that everyone is fine and doing great. For those who are attending the webinar for the first time and don't know me yet, I'm Christian. I've been trading for 11 years now and have been active in TradingView for the last 6 years. I've been coaching people now for 4 years, and my goal is to make every trader who is not consistently profitable to become profitable on a consistent basis and to develop a professional trader mindset. So during this webinar, feel free to use the live chat. As always, I will be answering all your questions. If you have as well specific questions, do not hesitate, just feel free to share the question with me over there and I will answer on your question. Okay, so previous week what I was doing is I've been trading and focusing totally on yen pairs. Yen pairs was really priority for me for the previous week. They were showing me an amazing setups, and setups are as well being shared there with you. So I took very nice profit on it. Now for this week I will see what is going on. I will share now with you what I will trade. I took the profits from all yen pairs. I assume that this is supposed to be over the yen pair. Microphone is kind of low. Do you guys have the same problem? What did you mean microphone is kind of low, Ville? Can you, do you think you hear me badly, or is it better now? Let me know if it works fine. A little better, okay. So let me check it once again. How about now? Is it still low, or I suppose to not be too loud? Oh, thank you very much. Should I increase volume a little bit more, or what do you think, guys? I can do it. It's okay now. Okay, very good. So if there will be any problems with the microphone, let me know. Okay, so we will fix it. If it will not work, we will fix it. You're supposed to hear me properly. So we have to be clear. Okay, so let's go. So what I did, yen pairs, is where I took the profit. They complete the structure, so they are at the bottom and I will not hold it more. Okay, so, oh sorry, that's always switching, damn it. So they break the low, so I decided to take profit on Friday and will not leave it longer. Okay, they are done, and anytime soon they will go for the correction, because they can drop like this in the straight line. Okay, so would rather add more on the correction. So if the correction will appear, then definitely we will be again adding more trades. So you should do this well. I will just wait for the correction. That's all, because they always does. Okay, so as they drop, they correct always, or smart correction, small correction, or the bigger correction. That totally depends on the market. I can't predict exactly which one will appear, but definitely correction will appear. If it drops a little bit lower, it will not go far. So I personally will not care. If this goes a little bit lower, I'm still interested. We'll wait for this and then I will decide what the price is about to do. Okay, they always go for the correction. As they drop, they go for the correction. They drop, they go for the correction. They drop, they go for the correction. So I don't see the reasons that they will not drop, correct over there as well. Daily on all yen pairs are kind of similar. Okay, that could still go for one more leg higher. Okay, so that's kind of corrective still, but if it drops, it's fine. It's fine. They will just correct, and then I will be adding more. Okay, I always add when there is the correction. Okay, because if it drops, I add more. Oops, sorry, I add more on corrections on those continuation patterns, as you can see over there. Okay, they did running flat, for example, then they drop correction. Look at that one. They will give me this chance. Again, correction, 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 correction. Okay, I basically can't miss the trade, so I'm really not afraid of missing anything. the setups are always forming over there. So that's just it for me with the amperes. Same there with Aussie, okay? So everything is away. This one, if you catch it, if you have it still, just hold it. Okay, hold it back at the timeline at least. That's gonna be a little bit late probably. He's having some delay, as it looks like. But it could go as well for the correction, that's for sure. Okay, so this can go for the correction as well as it stands right now. That's how I can see it. Going for the correction, then they can drop easily. Okay, because if they drop, they go correction and then they drop. So as well there. Drop, correction, drop, drop, correction, drop. Same, or even deeper one, like this one. This could as well appear over there. Something like this. Similar one, similar kind of the length of correction can appear over there. So we will see. I will not push the market. We'll just let it do whatever it wants to do. What I will watch is taking profit on euro dollar 100%. Okay, this is what I will take away. That profit has to be booked. Okay, that this trade should not be closed with a break even. That's for sure what I will take care. This trade will not be on the break even close, because it will be a big trading error if I will close this trade with a break even. Also chief is what I was watching previous week and what could be ready this week. Okay, is it struggling right now? It is at the top, and as I'm watching it, I can see that this is a nice expanded flat over there. This expanded flat, and it's showing me a nice potential at least to break the previous low. That's the move which I'm expecting. Another level lower. So for sure this is not ready yet. I will still wait and see when this will be confirmed, when this move will start. But it's definitely worth of taking the trade over there. So, oops, sorry. Okay, we'll wait for any kind of the confirmation. Okay, so something like this will be very nice. Okay, drop and give me some correction over there, and then another level lower to break those lows, because if we assume it as a expanded flat, then that's gonna be a nice potential trade. So I will just keep an eye on it. We'll see how it develops. Catch if as well. I think now it's on a tricky spot. Okay, I call it a tricky spot because it could go up and down. So that's for sure not the spot where I will take a decision. I will not be neither buy or even selling it. So this is where I will just put my hands in the pocket and watch the next move. Okay, we'll not do anything. We'll not call for action, but we'll watch it definitely. Okay, that means I will watch it every 10 hours maybe, and see how it goes. If it comes up correctly, okay, if this correction will appear, then definitely I will go for this movement over there. And I will not go for this move. I'm not interested for this small little buy inside of the correction, because the potential to make money, it's not enough for me. I don't like these small moves, small potentials. I always prefer to go for the bigger movements. So that's what I will do. If it goes lower, it will not go far anyway. It will still go and correct, and then it will go. So anyway, I need correction like this. And anyway, if it drops like this, then I will just let it go. It didn't met my rules. Okay, I can't open on running candles. That's for sure. Your cat as well. This one looks for another leg lower. Okay, it's going up, but if this goes down, give me the correction over there, then I will go for the buy. So very interested, or very important, what the chart will tells me in the upcoming days. Because in the upcoming days, if I will get the correction over there, then I'll go for the buy. For sure, okay? Now I don't see anything. Use the cat as well. This could be just running flat on the leg lower, and then it can go up. I usually told you already that I will be watching for taking profit. News in USD, I was in the trade and decided to take off the profit. Why? Because it starts to consolidate. Okay, I don't love when it starts to consolidate, because it can get complicated, and based on my rules, I decided to take profit. Will not go and leave it open. Okay, we'll see. And if this will give me now the correction like this, and this could be 1, 2, and this third leg, once it will be completed, we can call it expanded flat for another leg up, which will go and break the previous top. Then I'll become interested. Okay, but all will depend how this move will appear. So it will be really important. I will put my focus over there, how this will be developing over there. If it will be the corrective movement, will it be slow movement, impulsive movement, whatever. Okay, my job is to identify what wave will appear, how it will appear. Okay, so if it will go correctively, then for sure I will be a buyer. And then I will take this trade from there to there, break the top and take profit, because it will go for the sideways. Daily sideways is what we will have then over there. Okay, something like this probably. And then the price will go for another leg lower. So my trade will be just from there back at the previous top, and then I'll go from the top to the bottom, and then I will go from this bottom to this top. That's gonna be the long prediction, but it's really useless currently. I can trade it. I can trade this move right now, the biggest one. So we'll have to trade now in this range, probably up and down in this consolidation. This correction could be even more complicated because it can go up and down. But anyway, I will be making money from there to there, to there, from there to there to there. Okay, so USDN, that's away. I will not do anything currently. If I will get any reactions like I have over there, then I will become interested for this movement. So we'll delete this sell. I'm not interested anymore. We'll definitely see what this is going to do. If there, this could be a channel in the upcoming days. Okay, either it could be something like this. If it will be corrective, then I will go for another sell. If not, then I will just stay away. Okay, so no rash decisions. I'm never pushing the market, so you should not do as well. Next one. Oh, come on again. So let me just put it like this. Chief yen. Yeah, like I said, that's not interested trade. We'll put it down. I have my yen pairs group over there. Aussie yen. It can make a correction over there, or it can hit the trend line. Aussie cat. This one would be interested as well. If I watch the daily, I don't see that this movement, as it comes back to the top like this, will not go far away. Anytime soon we need a correction. So it could be running flat, drop down, and then go up totally. Okay, but what's for sure that we need a correction over there. And I think anytime soon we will get the correction, so we can go for this movement. This corrective movement is what I will aim for. I will see how I can take this trade to the downside. For now, there are no signs of anything. Okay, went up correctively. We all can see that this is a corrective movement to the upside. That's for sure not a strong impulsive movement. Slowly climbing up back at the previous stop. We are around the previous stop, so this will be the move to watch. Very good trade. I will keep an eye on him. It could give me a nice potential over there, definitely. And how far it will go? It could go something like this and then go up again. Something like this and then go up again. But doesn't matter. This is move first, which I will keep an eye on. Aussie New Zealand, same there. So I was discussing about this trade. I didn't take this buy over there. I don't like to trade there in this correction, because anytime soon I'm anticipating there a deeper correction at least. So something like this is what I would anticipate before next push to the upside. On daily, if I will show you the bigger picture, what I see over there, it's the price which can still go for another leg up. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's the move which I do anticipate, but it will not go straight like this. That's what we all know. What I am waiting for, and when I will become the buyer over there, is when I will have this one. So if I will take this off for better view, oh, look at that one. So I have something like this right now. So now what I'm waiting is this pullback and the correction to the downside. Then I will be looking for this leg to the upside, same as we have over there. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm not pushing and taking trades from as it stands right now, because it's kind of high and my risk to reward ratio is not looking good, and I can be stopped out very easily, and that's what I don't like. We'll wait the chart to give me better entry point, better risk to reward ratio. Okay, but we'll watch it next couple of days. I even can take a sell setup. Okay, if it drops, if it corrects like this, then I can expect another leg lower. This will give me the three-wave structure, so I can go and trade this small trade to the downside, and then once we'll break the low, I will take the profit and I will go for the buy. What will be the bonus if this go for the deeper correction? It still be the correction for more upside. Any kind of correction, it's important over there. So you can go for the sell as well. Okay, so if you watch this, you can take the sell opportunity over there as well, if we get it, of course. For now, let's see what we have over there. Nothing currently on. If this corrects over there, something like this, and then go up, then I will take a sell probably. We'll see. But I don't think that I will be able to catch this sell. As it stands right now, structurally, probably it will not give me the chance for this sell, but it will give me 100% sure the opportunity to go for the buy. Probably in next 14 days maybe. Can you tell me for the USDN? Yes, of course, I can tell you about the USDN, why not? Let me mark it so I will know where we were. Yeah, I did already, but I can quickly update you. So for sure, as you can see from my picture, from my analysis, that I will not watch it for buy anymore. For sell, sorry. I would rather go and watch for buy opportunity over there, but let it drop a little bit. What I will be interested is this: impulse up, correction, then go to the upside. Same as it did there. Up, correction, and then go. They always does this kind of behavior. So let it give you first impulsive movement, correction, then go for this movement. So will it be fast? Will it be slow? I have no idea. But some of this move will be something like this, or it will be something like this. Who knows? Nobody. Or it could be something like this, correction, and then up. So even this is possible for more downside. But nobody knows, so we have to take the opportunity. We need to have a strategy. If I get the buy stop, I will go for it. If I get something like this, I will give it a chance. I will see. I will go for the trade. I will get in and see how it will be developing. And if this will be aggressive, strong, we can go out and I will take profit somewhere there. If it corrects, I will get in again for another leg lower, okay, higher, sorry, for this profit, and then I will take the sell. Is how I will trade it. Just like this. It's supposed to not be difficult. Structurally, we're kind of high. Let me see the weekly. We can even go lower. That could be the structure for more downside on weekly. So that means that this daily, if it gives me correction like this or even bigger, what would be better? Breaking out, correcting, and another will just give me more confirmation for the bigger downside. They always does. If this will be the bigger drop, then we need something like this, deeper correction, right? Let it go out of the structure, give me bigger correction, and then drop. That's for sure. Because this, I don't think that we can drop in this kind of the channel. Okay, that channel it's not so volatile. I don't think that we will continuously dropping lower. I would really love to see their correction, and then I will go for the trade. Okay, so we have a question. Do you use trend-based 5 Fibonacci extensions in your strategy for taking profits. For example, what happened if long and hits 1.618? What is your take on these things? You can use Fibonacci extensions for taking profit, but it's kind of hard. Rather define it based on structure, it would be easier. But what you can do, if you do really love the Fib, okay, if you love it, what you can do, if you have an impulse, you can pull the trend line like this, you can wait for the correction, and then what you will do is you will wait for price to reach those levels. Okay, even 100% retracement is as well possible, but it's kind of hard. I really do recommend you rely more on structures and impulse. Okay, if you see that momentum is dying out or something like that, rather rely on this one. It's much better. Or if you are new to the trading, you can as well taking your profit on every correction. You don't need to hold trade forever. If you are trading, what I do recommend you, it's taking off your profit. Okay, so what I do mostly is, if I get in over there, I take profit over there. Then I get in back, I take profit over there. Get in back, take profit over there. Then I get in back there, take profit over there. Okay, get in back and get out. Then get in, get out. Get in, get out. Always take your profit in the correction. You don't need to hold it forever, because once the market give you an option to pay yourself, take the money. Okay, I always love to take money, because you can't have, or you can lose your money with taking profit. That's for sure. That's one big rule which you have to apply. It really helps to me. I was having a lot of problems at the beginning. I really didn't take off my profits. I was holding trades forever because I thought I have to take trades which will go like 1 to 10, 1 to 15, 1 to 20, okay? And that wasn't good for my emotions, because anytime soon they go for the deeper correction, and you can end up with either a break even, or you can even be stopped out if the correction will be complex. So I rather prefer taking profit once you see that price is about to correct. This is what helps personally me. I really love to take profit. I'm really happy when I take profit. That's when I pay myself. It's a very amazing feeling, and keeps a good control of my emotions. I just joined now. What are your thoughts about Bitcoin? Yeah, we will take a look on Bitcoin. We will see what the Bitcoin is trying to do. Bitcoin is very interested as it stands right now. Now, we should be very patient, okay? That's the biggest problem that most people are facing, not only on the crypto, on any market. When we have a breakout, let's say 80% or 90% people are getting in, okay? Even I was stressed sometimes with this kind of problem, okay? So because when I see big candles, strong candles, breakout, I thought that I have to be in the trade, otherwise the trade will go without me. That's the biggest trading error that I was facing with. I always thought that, oh my god, I just missed the trade, or I will miss the trade, shit, should I get in? But I really felt that I'm missing something, or I really felt that that's not good. Okay, so I will show you what you have to do. Look DXY. Let's see what the DXY is trying to do. 4 hour. Same there. I will still wait for the correction over there. What would be very good and very powerful if this drops and corrects over there, then taking the trade all the way back to that trend line. That's gonna be the trade. But trading from here to here, it's not making sense. Okay, so I'd rather book my profit, as I will do on Euro USD very soon. USD is where I will take my profits very soon, because we are tagging the top. And if this goes for the correction, I would rather go for this buy and see how it develops, because it could as well be the bigger correction and then drops. That's how I see it. But as well, it could be the correction for more downside. Would be even better for sell to drop, correct, and then go. That would be very nice decision, or a very nice confirmation. It's a needed mistake to learn. Yes. That mistakes are very powerful. We can either learn of them, or we can either repeat them. I choose the hard way. I was always keep repeating, and then I start asking myself, oh my god, am I really dumb? I was repeating the same kind of the mistake for a couple of times, 10, 15 times. Then I said, okay, stop. Then I didn't make a mistake, this kind of mistake for next 10 trades, 20 trades, and then again I did the same fucking mistake. So sometimes it's kind of tricky to get out from one mistake. Thoughts about ADA Cardano? Yeah, we will watch it. Let's take a look at a couple of those examples, then we will talk about the crypto. Hi, can you take a look at your New Zealand Euro Yen, please? Yeah, I will take a look, not a problem. Your New Zealand and Euro Yen. Euro New Zealand, it's over there. This is what we were doing right now. And yeah, we also New Zealand we discussed already. Euro New Zealand. It's not moving so strong. So if you're holding a trade from there or there, wherever you have taken it or whatever, I would really recommend take some profit, because that's kind of slow. Okay, so if it cracks, then I will add trade for another leg higher. This will just give another correction for more downside. So what it will do? This spot is kinda not for trading. I will not be in this trade right now. Let's trade it. Let's stay neutral. And if it does the correction, then yeah, go for the trade. Another leg higher, okay. Because it can very nicely break down. Why? Because we break the previous top. That's a dangerous situation to getting into the trade over there. As well for sell. I would not go for the sell as it stands right now. Don't like it. That's too small. Okay, so this is the big move. This is a correction. And I don't think that this move will end just with this break of the previous top. That's kinda confusing, so I would rather stay away from this trade. I would wait that the chart will tell me more information, to give me more information. I need more data. I call candles a data. Okay, so if I have more candles, I have more data. So here's the example where I will wait for more data. Euro Yen. You can wait the price to tag the previous low. If you are in the trade, of course. If you are in the trade, wait for the price to tag the previous low, then take off your profit. Take off your profit. Price can go up as well. Okay, so this is this kind of correction over there. It's kind of danger. If you will take your profit over there, you will not miss anything, because if it drops, it has to drop out of the structure and then correct there, and then it will go. But from there, if it stops, it would be really bad if you don't take the profit, because it can go up for another leg higher, or there big fast move to the upside and then drop strongly. So I would really recommend taking profit. I will take a profit if I was you. So and would let the price break the low, and then we'll see. Maybe I will go for this buy. Depends how this will develop over there. Very interesting structure as well. Okay, so Bitcoin ADA. Okay, I'll take a look on both of them. Have you heard anything about Hyazuki? No, I have no idea what this is. I haven't heard for this kind of name or what this is. Hyazuki, haven't heard really. First time hearing this. We have a comment like, I like awesome oscillator when looking back at my subpar trades. Awesome oscillator helps time my trades better since I started using it and examining trades that did not work out, stopped out. Yeah, you can help to better timing your trades with the indicators, but I had a lot of problems with indicators at the beginning, because if we don't rely on the structure more, then indicators will be struggling. But yeah, I do believe that it helps you. I really love to watch charts like this, just naked patterns, and see once the chart is losing its momentum and so on. Pattern and correction, it's all that I need. It's really not confusing, and then I found in myself that then I rely more on structure. I giving more attention to the chart instead of indicator, so that's for sure. What do you think about Tesla? Yeah, we'll talk about. Just a second. Let me see what the Bitcoin is about to do, or what is it going to do. So let's start with the weekly chart. What I think, the Bitcoin can go for another leg lower. Why? Okay, I really think that we will have another leg lower because we didn't have any confirmation there for the upside. If this corrects over there, then yes, then that's gonna be the buy. Okay, and the long-term buy, which will be developing. But I really would love to see correction like this. So something like this would give me the confirmation, or something like this as I have over there. Okay, so we have some impulses over there, and then sideways. Sideways will just give me the confirmation, but as it looks like this could still be a running flat. That's the problem over there. This could be one running flat over there, very, very, very possible running flat for just one leg lower. It would just break low and then go up. Why I think so, and what I will be careful for, because the other altcoins are showing the potential for another leg lower. So another leg lower, it's showing me and telling to me that the Bitcoin may go down as well. So that's the reason why I will be very, very careful. Very, very be careful. Be as well very careful with your emotions over there, because it's a huge high bar there, and you can be easily blind or guided by those emotions of missing out the opportunity or missing out the trade. So trading with getting into the trade as it stands right now could be dangerous. Okay, if you're trading, okay, but if you are a spot trader, if you're an investor over there, you basically should not care. You should not care if you're getting into the trade there, or there. But you have to care there as the investor for next year or next 5 years, that the price will go upside. That's all what you have to care about. and that's for sure. Price will go up. That's what I can tell you. It will go up. But if you're an investor, if you're buying spot trade, if you spot trade crypto, then you should not be aware of. You should not care much over there. But with trading, you'll have to be more specific. You need more confirmation. I will be adding trades over there once the correction will be appearing. Okay, so once I will have, let me just break down to lower time frame. So what I will wait for, let me show you exactly. So if this is the price from there to there, I need this correction, deeper correction, then I will start adding trades. But for now, as it stands right now, I will not get in because it's too small. This, like I have shown you, could be easily one more leg lower, or it could be more complicated structure still. Okay, still based on this part, I think that this could be just one boom to the upside and then still go down. It could be still, this move can be still be the part of the structure. So how, as a trader, I will be very careful over there, very careful, but definitely will wait for confirmation. It will always give you the confirmation. Okay, because or it can just go high, and if you bought there, you will get yourself in trouble. I will not do this because what the price can do, look at that one. If you're there, it can go up and still can drop, or even deeper. That could be the problem, and we'll really wait as a trader. As investor, I will wait for a little bit pullback over there than getting into trade. I don't love to buy here at the top. That's some problem being a trader. I can't buy at the top, that's for sure. I always want cheaper price. Like if you go in the store, you always want better price, not higher price. We always are waiting for the lower price. You have to think the same way on the market. So you want to buy something with lower price, not with the higher price. If you go in the store, if you buy something, you are never looking for higher prices. You're looking for normal or lower prices, whatever. And then about ADA. Yeah, ADA, it's very interesting. Let me show you the chart. We have a question. By the way, do apply PVSRA sometimes. I have no idea what this is. PVSRA. What could that stand for? I have no. PVSRA. Are those some pivot points or something like that? I have really zero knowledge. I have zero knowledge about this PVSRA. Even didn't heard for now for this kind of name or nickname or whatever is this. So let's go. Look, this is why I think that the Bitcoin can go for another leg lower. So this is kind of weird movement over there. It's going like this and it's still in this corrective movement, and it can go easily for another leg lower. It went up as we were watching it, but if you're in the trade, put a break-even trade. As an investor, you don't care, and yeah, if the price will hit the bottom again, you buy from the bottom again. You don't buy over there, or at least a pullback. You need a pullback, then you buy. Then you can take some buy. But price can go up very slowly, even cross the trend line, and then can drop. Just to take the previous low, and this is the reason why I think that the Bitcoin can drag for another leg lower. That's the reason why I think so. That structure, it's not good. not good. Even I don't have a confirmation, because as always the price will go higher. I will need a confirmation. But for now, I don't have the confirmation over there. Look, it's just climbing up, 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 up. Okay, so that could be just one running flat over there. This could correct over there, go up, take the 10 line, and then another like lower can appear. So from definitely I will not be buying over there. That's for sure. I would rather wait, break out totally. That's what I will do. Let it go, break out. It will give me some sense of direction. If it confirms, if it gives me the confirmation, if it gives me the direction, then I will start buying it. If do so. Or other option, if it drops, then I will watch to buy from the 10 line, from the previous bottom. So there are only two chances, and this is the range where I will not be doing anything, okay? Where most of people will be calling an action or will do anything. This is the zone where I will do nothing, completely nothing. This is empty zone for me, where I'm completely staying for sideways, just watching and waiting for the price to give me some confirmation or to tell me more what he will do, because charts will always tell you what they will do in the future. You just have to wait for it. You will just have to let it give you some confirmation, let it give you some sign, or let it tell. It needs to tell you, right? That's how I watch at the charts. Always waiting for some kind of information, something. Give me something. I can just buy on running candles and the candles that are going or that are just breaking out of the structure. That's the most dangerous part. Okay, we have a comment. With all the crypto bad news lately, it is likely they are going lower. Yeah, charts are having the potential. But we can really say which option will appear, because I'm showing you over there two options. And we can know. Anything can happen. It's always in my mind. Anything can happen. But until I have the setup, I can do nothing. I can just sit and watch the charts. Okay, I can only put my hands in the pocket and watch charts doing what they have to do until they give me some confirmation, give me some setup. Then I'll put my hands out of the pocket and go for the trade. But until then, I just have to watch. It could be hard sometimes. I learned my lessons very hard. The hard way. But definitely I will watch for investing in crypto as well. That's gonna give us a lot of opportunities to make some extra money. Okay, so instead having my money in the pocket or on the bank, I would rather put it in the crypto and grow a little bit more, to grow my investment, to grow my savings, let's say like that. But then I will definitely go with the spot. I prefer spot trading on crypto more than trading, because it could be too volatile, and that's something that I will prefer rather. Spot trading. Okay, do we have any questions? We have the answer for previously. PVS Air, its price, volatility, support, resistance analysis. PVS Air. This is my style of trading. Also PVS Air. I'm a scalper. I don't rely on support and resistance. That gave me a lot of problems in the beginning. Firstly, I just tried to trade on support and resistance and couldn't develop consistent profit. It was kind of confusing and I just couldn't rely on it. I saw too many support and resistance on the chart, and I recognize it as no valuable line, so that's just for me, and I call it a gambling line, but that's totally on me. It really didn't resonate with me, so that's why I'm not using the support and resistance at all. It's not the normal way for support and resistance. Yeah, everyone should develop their own way of using. That's cool, especially if you do some back testing, and if it works, that's wonderful. Support and resistance are from mean inversion and high volume candles in the strategy. Yeah, I really believe it works. I have been in gold, silver, copper, and miners in general. That's 9 days, and they so far have been in a major uptrend. GFP and oil and gas company has been a good one too. Super low price. That's good one. So you do investing over there, or yeah, probably you're investing, because I can see from the comment. Are you building portfolio with those, or how would you take it? I really love to build some portfolio as well, not only trading. What is really good is that those who are trading have double benefit. If you learn how to trade, and if you know how to trade, if you're consistently making money, then what is really good, what I do is I'm transferring my money from the profits that I generate on trading trading Forex. I reinvest it to build my portfolio. That's a very good way of investing, trading, and building wealth, let's say like that. Then trading with trailing stops. Oh, how does those trailing stop works? Does it works fine for you? Support and resistance are from mean aversion and high volume candles in this. Oh, I already read that comment, sorry. I've read the chat 2 times. So guys, now I have one question for you, for every one of you. Why do you think that we will make some podcasts over there? Or that I will record and do some podcasts? What do you think about this idea? Would be interesting to think. Trading is kung fu. No, it's not the kung fu. It's a nice panda if you know how to be disciplined. It's a kung fu panda if you know how to be disciplined. But it could be kung fu. I really do understand what you meant by this. The question is, how about if I will go and do some podcasts and record some podcasts? What do you think about this idea? Would that be interested for anyone of you? You believe that there are many styles of trade? Of course, there are a lot of styles for trading. I think that everyone has their unique style of trading. That's for sure. Everyone changed it a little bit. Every trader is the unique, as the same as every setup is the unique on the market. Everything is unique over there. So you're doing a nice profits over there with this kind of trend trading and trailing stops. That's wonderful. Very nice. Good many schools, many masters. Yep, that's for sure. There's a lot of things. So slowly I will end the webinar over there. If you guys have any question, just feel free to leave a comment under the video. Okay, I will answer all the questions. We'll answer it as well on next live webinar. So make sure to give me some like, hit that like button. I will really appreciate it, and see you on the next live webinar. So take care, enjoy your day, and may the profits be with you whole week. Take care, bye bye.